What's up, brother? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you a product that's selling well right now. I will help you to know how to find a product that you can sell using Google Trends, a method that you can use to find a product that you can sell on eBay, or you can use this method to help you find your own product to sell. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's jump right into the video. Let's not waste any more time. So now you need to jump into Google Trends. And if you think what is Google Trends is, Google Trends is the website that allows you to check the recent search date for any keyword that you type in. So the keyword that I'm going to type in right now is dog coat, because it's getting to winter time, which means that it's likely that people are going to be searching for dog coat. So before I go over to eBay, what I want to do is just verify it on Google Trends. Now what I am going to do now is just type in dog coat, right, or whatever keyword you are looking for. So once you have tapped in dog coat, what you need to do is change this section here to whatever country you plan on selling in. I'm gonna change this section to the United Kingdom, right? I'm gonna be selling primarily within the UK, and after that I'm going to change the date range to past 5 years to see if there is any trends. Straight away we can see there is these pics right here. When these pics are happening in the air, what I'm going to do is check really. So as we can see straight away, there is these pics that are happening because it's getting colder between November to December, obviously. So straight away a lot more people are going to be searching for dog coats. I know that dog coats are going to be a product that might sell well. Where dog coats are going to be selling well, I'm going to go over to eBay because I know dog coats are being searched a lot on Google. Let's go over to eBay and double check the date eBay. So let's do that right now. Here we go, and here you need to type in dog coat and you need to scroll through. As you can see, it's basically dog coats, you know. So the purpose for this product is to keep dogs warm in the winter. So what I'm going to do is I am going to pick a product. This one here I will pick it. So I have just clicked on a random product, and as you can see 39 has been sold. This seller, he has got 98% positive feedback, which is extremely high. And as you can see here, this company name is Hoxton Ltd, and they are using the eBay listing template. And around this product you have an opportunity to build a store. You need to use the right template and right name, and then be able to gain market share. And to see if it's selling really well or not on eBay, we need here to click on sold. So now we're gonna jump onto Dropshipping and see if it's got a high sales through rate or not, and see if this product looks like it's selling well or not. So what I'm going to do now is jump onto Dropshipping to see if it's selling well or not, like I said. And after that I'm going to go over to Alibaba.com to see if it's even available for us to import. So I have just jumped it over to Dropshipping, and the way to find it is that you log into your eBay account, and after that you need to go to top headings and click on research. And after that, once you click on research, you click on Dropshipping product research. Once you click on research, you click on Dropshipping product research, and you need to know this: you need an eBay selling account to be able to access. If you are paying $20 per month already, and if you not access, you just get an eBay selling account for like a month just to access to Dropshipping. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to search for dog coat to see the sales through. So now I have access to Dropshipping. Now we need to search for dog coat. Now we need to see the sales through. The next thing that I'm going to do is set the date rank for the last 30 days because I want to know what it did last month. And I'm going to select new because we are going to be selling new items. And here we need to click to fix a price because we are going to be doing buy it now listings. And here best offer accepted because it will rank it higher, and it gives the customer more chances to be able to buy your item. There is a 20% sales through rate, which is not bad. And what this basically means is that you have got a 20% chance of selling it, and I advise that you should sell a product with a minimum sales through rate of 40-50%. There is a lot of other products on eBay that are around 10 and 15%, which are really low. If we look at the section here, this seller here, he made over $5,000 just from one product. The next one he made over $4,000, and as you can see, this particular product is selling well. So this is definitely a product that you can definitely import and sell it. So I would advise anyone that's looking to start with dog product business or a big business, I would advise anyone out there to start selling this product because this product is selling well. Now we need to go over to Alibaba.com and double check that it's actually available for us to import. I'm always use Alibaba to find suppliers. So now what you need to do, you need to go over to Alibaba.com. This product is somewhere right now on eBay and it's gonna be doing really well for the next couple months. So now what you need to do is jump over to Alibaba.com. Now we have just jumped over to Alibaba.com and we need to type in dog code, and as you can see here, there is a variety of different style of dog codes. So now which one you want to pick, it's just up to you which one you want to pick. And as we can see here, this supplier has been on Alibaba for 3 years, and as I said, what I always like to look out for is the amount of years. And here as we can see, the supplier has been on 3 years, and here 4 years that the supplier has been on Alibaba for years too. So as we can see, this one has been on there for 6 years. The supplier is the one that I will probably advise anyone to go for, and here this supplier that's had this amount of years not to go for, and here this supplier is one that I would definitely avoid that you should go for. Just make sure that the supplier has been on there for over 4 years, 5 years maybe, like this one, he has been on there for 5 years, and you can ask them for other wholesaling products. If you are successful with them, you can tell by the name of the company that they supplies in paid products. They can advise you on what products are selling. Now what you need to do here to start selling products on eBay, you need to go to Google Trends to see if there is a product that's been searched low, and after that you go over to eBay to make sure that the product is got high sales through, and then go over to Alibaba.com to see if the product is available or not. And then you need to contact the supplier, and I made a video on how to contact suppliers. You can check it out, and then you need to wait for the reply so that you can import these products as soon as possible and start selling them yourself. And I want to mention to something, don't look at the price too much. You need to contact the suppliers first, do what the suppliers say. They may be able to offer you a cheap price, and then take it from there after you contact them first. We can use this method that I just showed you to help you find your own product. This method will definitely help you to find a product that's selling well right now, that will help you to grow your eBay business. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.